a silent choir, each one pulsing faint or higher. No telescope of her own to steer, but she saw the pattern crystal clear. The measure of the stars, in rhythm they gleam, a pulse of distance, a cosmic dream. From flicker to flare, she found the key to measure the heavens' immensity. Others thought her work was small, a woman's task the least of all. But she heard what the night had to say, a steady heartbeat far away. Each shining breath, each rising light. She turned to numbers day and night. The measure of the stars, in rhythm they gleam, a pulse of distance, a cosmic dream. From flicker to flare, she found the key to measure the heavens' immensity. Leavitt, singing bright and true, told her what the stars could do. From that pattern, Hubble would find the depths of space, the stretch of time. The measure of the stars, her gift, her art, written in numbers drawn from the heart. She maps the night, she changed who we are. Henrietta Leavitt, the measure of the stars. So when you see the sky afar, think of the one who measured the stars.